When it comes to selling your business, having a business sale agreement is essential to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. It protects both the buyer and the seller, outlining the key terms and conditions of the sale. JustSign makes it easy to create and manage your business sale agreement with customizable templates tailored to your business needs. Whether you're transferring assets, addressing employee transitions, or protecting sensitive information, JustSign has you covered. Having a well-structured agreement ensures that both parties are on the same page, with clear expectations, confidentiality, and a smooth transition process. From asset lists to employee entitlements, JustSign helps you define everything in one simple document. Key features of a solid business sale agreement include a comprehensive list of assets for accurate valuation, clear confidentiality clauses to protect your business secrets, restraint of trade provisions to prevent future competition, employee entitlement guidelines for a smooth transition. With JustSign, you can easily download and customize your agreement, update and re-upload it as needed, and collect secure digital signatures to finalize the sale. It's fast, efficient, and legally binding. Don't leave your business sale to uncertainty. With JustSign's trusted tools, you can ensure your transaction is legally secure and seamlessly handled. Stay prepared and compliant. Let JustSign guide you through every step of the way. You can reach out to us on 02-9684-4199. Visit our website, justsign.com.au, to start creating your business sale agreement. Simplify your business transactions with confidence.